Hello everyone, this is Matthew Belante. I'm doing my introduction for the course of 595, Moral Character and Ethics. My college background, I graduated from Cal State University Northridge back in 2006 where I received my BA in History. While I was there, I played on the volleyball team at CSUN. I was a starting middle blocker there for 2 years, my junior and senior year. I also received my single subject social science credential back in 2007. I did my student teaching at LA Unified, and currently I'm on my 8th class at Concordia University, Vervine, and so can't wait till it's over with. Only a few more months left. Teaching experience. I've been teaching at the Inglewood Unified School District for 12 years as a social studies teacher. Uh, I've taught now, it's going to be my 5th school site. I previously taught at Inglewood High, Crozier Middle School, City Honors High, and Monroe Middle School. I taught at Monroe Middle School the last 4 years. This year, I'm at a new school site at Frank D. Parent K3 Elementary School, where I'm going to teach 7th and 8th grade history. I am looking forward to the new change in the new school sites. And also, besides teaching, I was a volleyball coach at Inglewood High, and I've been on the PBI's team at Monroe Middle School the last couple years. Interesting fact you may not know about me. This past summer, about a month ago, I went to Cancun, and for the first time, I actually visited a site that I teach in 7th grade social studies. And since 7th grade social studies talks mainly about, civilizations from around the world, not so much in United States, I finally went outside my comfort zone and I visited Chichen Itza, the greatest and most famous site of all the Mayan ruins. It's actually one of the 7 wonders of the world. And I learned a lot about the Mayas, more than I knew previously. And I was very amused by the buildings and artifacts I saw. So if you ever go down to Chichen Itza, I highly recommend it. Okay, this is my presentation. Thank you.